The digital world promises connection, but too often, it leaves people out, unintentionally, through oversight, through pathways that are open only to some, not all. We believe digital accessibility is essential. It's not a feature, it's a foundation, built deliberately from the ground up. With care, with craft, with people in mind. Because disability isn't an exception, it's part of life. Accessibility is a right, not a nice to have. It's an ongoing practice of doing better. We help you meet digital accessibility requirements across standards, platforms, and time. Not just to comply, but to build experiences that work for everyone. And when we do it right, the digital world doesn't just work better, it feels better. For everyone. Accessiway, building a digital world without barriers.